Look at this, there's already a car. Oh, there at the top of the left. Oh, the back car on that train. As we climb up the lift, you get some nice views looking at Titatis over there as well. I do love a good Mack Rides bobsled. If we get the time in here, we might get it coming over the top hat quite nice. Oh, it's going to be lovely. Here we go. Beautiful. Oh, Titatis, what a ride. Great views from up here. And a really nice long ride, which is what I love. Let's go. Look at all the cats there. We're off on the front row. Woo! Hey! Woo! Hey! Bit of a helix, helix, helix. Woo! Hey! Quite a slow down there. Love all the rocks around this ride as well. There we go, up into the brake run. It's got so many block sections, that ride. Great though, I really enjoy that. And more views of Titatis as we come around here. The Intamin beauty. Yeah, we're in so many trains this ride.